Caleb.
And I'm Aubrey.
And we are from
Calebrey, Connor.
And today we're just going to be making slime. And this shouldn't
I have purple and he has blue.
Glitter. Alright, so
let's get started.
We don't really have that much slime, only a bottle. This feeling is so satisfying. Oh my gosh! There's not that much in here and it's really hard to get out.
Yeah. Okay. First let's shake it.
Oh.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I think I'm out. Oh, there's still some in there. Oh, that looks so cool. Ow, that hurts. I think I'm done.
Okay, I'm almost done.
So, yeah, it's pouring out. That's done. And let me get that.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright, so now activator time. Do we stir it first or something? Alright.
No.
So let's open this thing up.
Do a little bit at a time.
What is that?
It's a bubble.
Okay, so I'm so nervous about this.
I wonder what's in activator. Okay. Now stir it.
I did like 3 drops. I think we have to do more though.
Yeah, we just need to like do it slowly.
Yeah, we did not get enough glue. Alright, so now my turn. Sorry that these bowls aren't clear, by the way. That would be a lot better.
Mine looks like this.
There. Alright.
You have to do it quick so it doesn't fall out.
Alright, let me do a pinch more.
Mine is kind of rippy. Soon we're gonna have to start using our hands.
I kind of want to feel mine. Let me do. Still feels like glue. A lot. Need more activator.
Okay.
I'm gonna
But
pour a
do
lot
like
more.
1 drop at a time.
No, I'm doing a lot. The more.
No! Okay, that's
That was
enough.
only like 7 drops. And it's still, we haven't even
Ooh,
gotten
look!
an eighth the way yet.
I need it to be great. I was gonna have beads and something to put in it. Not so much.
I didn't do so much. I think. I'm not a master at making slime.
I am.
Are you though?
No.
Mine is starting to get all slippery. It's not sticking to the bottom of the bowl anymore.
Me neither. Get the glue on the outsides.
Ooh, it's wet. I think, is that good?
I think, yeah.
Or is it just cold?
I'm gonna get a napkin.
Okay, go do that.
Can you hold my spoon?
No.
Okay, that's good.
I don't know how to. Aubrey, if it's slippery and still kind of sticky, do I need more activator or did I put too much?
You need more. Ooh, yeah. You need. After this, I might help you. Mine is like good, really good. Yeah, I don't think you should do that.
I'll just put more.
There, mine's starting to come together, but it's really, really gooey. Okay. Oh my gosh. probably all gooey because you added so much activator at a time. I feel like I'm almost done. Just need a few more drops. There.
Can you feel it? See if mine's good.
You feel it? It's okay for now.
It's so sticky. I can't get it off my hands. If I transfer it to one hand to take it off one of mine, it will just stay at the other hand.
Sorry.
What do you mean, sorry?
You added too much activator.
Did I though?
I feel like you have more glue than me. I'm gonna get my bottle. Hey.
Can I feel yours?
Wait, I need to open this.
How am I gonna do this?
Get out. Okay, I might want to add some of white glue. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's any in Caleb's to add to mine.
Your hands are so clean. How?
I don't know. I don't touch it. They look so full, but they're actually so empty. I'll be right back. I need some white glue.
You're getting what?
I think white glue.
Do we have any?
Okay, so I do not have white glue, so can't use white glue. Wait, I think we do actually have some.
It looks like Spider-Man's web stuff.
Probably because it is.
Oh, she's going all over the place. She's going. What are you doing?
Getting white glue.
Yes, I got it off my... Oh my gosh, I have a lot to go. Alright.
Okay, I got some. It's not Elmer's, but it's glue. Ooh, that's enough. If you want, you can add some, Caleb. Get down. Ooh, that's starting to look cool. At the end, we'll show you the slime out of the bowls.
Yes.
Ooh, mine's looking
I don't
pretty.
know. Oh,
Caleb, look.
my spoon's
Mine's
still in.
light purple.
Did you add white glue?
Mm-hmm.
Can you add some to mine?
Sure.
Then I'll put more activator in it.
There.
I don't know if that's a good idea though. Let me do it anyways.
I need a little. Okay, that's enough. Get out. Okay. Now that's enough.
I might need to go wash my hands in a second. Yeah, I'll just do that right now. I'll wash my hands.
The spoon's gonna fall in there. Okay. Mine is really pretty. It's a cool light purple kind of color. There. It's enough right now. While Caleb's washing his hands, I'm just gonna finish making my slime. I think mine's starting to get a bit better. I'm glad I added that one. Okay.
Did you take some of my glue?
Yeah. Now it's sticking.
Oh, my spoon's sticky now.
Okay.
Oh,
Ew.
this is difficult.
I need it.
I really don't want to touch it because I don't want my hands to get sticky again.
Okay.
Um,
There. Let me start adding. It doesn't really show blue. Oh, there's blue on my spoon. No. Okay, now let me. Oh.
oh
wrong activator.
Why? I don't think there is a wrong activator.
Okay. At first, I bought a slime kit and it said magical liquid. Well, I think this is magical liquid too. Yep, it is. If you hear the cluttering on the ground, it's my dog Coffee. His real name is Copper, but we like calling him Coffee.
Puppers.
And he is so much like a deer and a bunny. He's scared of
Copper.
bunnies, and he's like
Copper, come here.
8 times
He's
the
not
size of
listening to
mine.
Hey guys, welcome back. And we fixed up our slime, didn't we, Aubrey? Aubrey? Oh my God!
Hey guys!
It's magical. Not really. And so yeah, we fixed up our slime.
I like the color
Really
of our slime.
goopy.
Yeah, mine's
It's-
not that good, so I'm gonna add a little bit more cornstarch.
Yeet! That's fun. And yeah, we added cornstarch. You probably didn't see that in the last clip. This is really fun. You should try this.
Yeah, whatever you do, you need magical liquid stuff and cornstarch.
That was really fun.
That makes
And
your
so
slime.
yeah, it's really gooey. It stretches out really easily, which is the best part. It's really cool.
Yeah, mine's kind of rippy.
And yeah, it rips easily too. Looks
But
like
you
a
gotta go
worm.
slow. I'm gonna make a swirl.
A swirl.
Gotta wait.
I'll make a ball.
2 hours later.
It's only been 2 minutes.
Okay, swirl time.
So yeah.
Okay.
I made a ball.
I made the coolest swirl. You're weird.
I know.
Even though
That's why I signed up for this.
this is weirder.
What is it? So yeah, I have no idea what she just did.
Hi, I'm Bobby.
And you got a ball thrown at Bobby. Oh no. It's kind of
Ouchie,
bouncy.
that hurt.
Aubrey, it's kind of bouncy and it doesn't. It's
Okay, I'm
not
back. I'm
really-
not weird anymore.
It's not really easy to make it a perfect ball, which is really.
I'm gonna dip
hard.
it in here.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
You
Got it.
barely got any.
Okay, I actually need some.
And it's hard for apple picking. You cannot kick in your mouth because it'd be disgusting.
Don't.
Yes, that's a high suggestion. You should not do that. It'd probably poison
Never
you too.
do that.
It's probably dangerous. And yeah,
Even kids younger than
what? That didn't even make sense.
a million. Oh look, my finger's sticking out. Okay.
There's no such thing as a kid younger than a million because you're not a kid when you turn 18.
Hi.
Ugh, yeah, I'm trying to get the
Really rippy.
cornstarch off my fingers with the slime.
I think we got this at Target or the mall.
We got it at Target, I think, right? Or was it
Yeah,
the mall?
It was
yeah,
Target.
it was Target. We went to Target today. And I got cheese balls, which is
And-
under the camera.
I'll show you guys.
Cheese balls.
A lot of cheese balls. Okay.
10-year-old trick
Caleb,
shots.
sit down. I can't see you.
I can do a trick shot.
Clippy. I named my slime. Wait. If you're on YouTube, you can comment down whose is the best. My name will be.
No, comments are turned off
Why?
because YouTube Kids doesn't really allow comments, I don't think.
Oh, if you're on YouTube Kids, you can't comment, but if you're on YouTube, I think you can.
No. If it's a video on YouTube Kids, comments are turned
I
off.
said YouTube.
I know. If it's a video on YouTube Kids, comments are turned off even if it's on YouTube, which makes 0 sense.
Okay, so we're not going to put this on YouTube Kids. We're just going to put it on YouTube. So, comment down below. My slime is going to be sparkles.
My slime is.
Wait, no. Mine is going to be
Hashtag.
purple sprinkle.
Mine
Purple
is
sprinkle.
hashtag blue
Vote for-
explosion.
Okay, so if you think if you want me to win, or if you like my slime better, vote for hashtag purple sprinkles. If you want Caleb
It's really
to win,
fun to rip.
vote for hashtag blue explosion or something like that. Okay, no more messing around with explosions.
So yeah, this is our slime. It's really satisfying. Oh, it rips really easily.
And I have more cornstarch.
And yeah, it's really fun to play with.
And it's really fun to smush in the cornstarch.
It is really fun to play with.
Oh my gosh, Caleb!
I do not know what I just did.
OMG.
No, this happened. So yeah.
Okay, I'll help.
No, I got it.
Okay. Ooh, his slime is weird. I like, here,
it's
feel
hard.
mine compared to yours.
Wait,
Mine is beauty.
I gotta
Mine-
stand up and do this. It's a
Why
lot
would I do
easier.
that? Oh, look, I have blue on my shirt.
Why would I do this?
I don't know. You should lift your shirt and do it.
Oh, it's hard. Yeah, I'll lift my shirt and do it.
You need more cornstarch.
Is there some like slime thing to take off? Already. Why'd you do that?
I just got this. Okay, while he does that, we're gonna take him out of the camera.
Alright, I'll do something about this.
Okay, he's gonna go ask my parents. While we're doing that, gotta get his slime out. We'll mess with this. Okay, so I named it Pink E. Or
No, my
hashtag purple. You should vote for hashtag purple sprinkles. Okay.
No.
While he does that, we'll play with hashtag purple sprinkles. And if you want everyone to make slime that's just like ours, you should make it with this activator and this cornstarch.
Isn't that like the only activator?
Here, I'll show you this. You can pause if you need to and show your parents. And you can pause if you need to show your parents this. And I'll also show you the glue bottles, which I don't have anymore. So you saw the glue at the beginning, so that's the glue you would use if you want it like ours. Okay, so slime. Ooh, I have a good idea. We can make a slime bubble.
I don't know how to do that.
What if we?
Unfortunately.
Okay, so
This is
I'm
really hard.
doing a swirl.
I do not know why
Of
I did
course.
that, but it was funny when I said
Okay,
that.
so Caleb's gonna be in the camera. Okay.
So let's just not do the slime bubble. That's gonna be way too difficult.
Yeah. Okay. Slime. And if you can tell, we're in a new house. You can't tell.
because we haven't posted a video for 3 years.
About.
Pretty much.
This is our new house for now. That was a sneak peek. Now the
So-
rest will be in a house tour video.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below who's your
We're
favorite.
not done.
Yes, we are.
Let's mix our slime.
Nope, we're not mixing.
Okay.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below which one's your favorite. It's obviously going to be Blue Explosion. And like,
Let's give them a closer look.
like, oh my gosh, like of course, and obviously subscribe because why not?
So here's mine. And Caleb's is coming up.
Alrighty.
Give me these two.
Alrighty, bye.